7 over 10.
For the safeness of the young people.
Kasi tinulungan sa atin. Uy! Time na pala! Ano? Kaya sama kayo kakain ko.
Break na to, babay na tayo.
Mamaya na ako pa.
Tara!
Kaya ano rin ah? Wala na yun. Daming pera. Loko ng batang yun, may candy sa wallet. Dami-dami ng pera, di ko na nilipay. Magkindi ka pa dyan.
Dito, hindi. Ito. Itong kulay pula. Dito, hindi. Protection na rin.
Protection? Hindi mo makalala yun.
Ariyo ka. Pag nagsesex.
Para saan? Saan yung gagamitin doon?
Ano yung sinusunod sa mga lalaki sa atin? Para hindi kapag katapos, hindi mabubugtis. Gonorrhea at saka mga HIV, yung mga sakit na pwede makuha kapag ka nakipagtalik.
Hindi ko nga kilala yan.
Hindi ka nagamit nito. Ano yung bindo to para protection sa atin. Oh.
Pag hindi nakagamit?
Pwede magkasakit. Yun sinabi ko kanina, gonorrhea, HIV, pwede kang makakuha nun kapag ka makipagtalik ka. So, ayun na lang.
Ang kaya po pala pag tayong dalawa lang, no? Ang tahimik.
Kaya nga. Paano ba yan? Kaya tayo kasama ngayon.
So, ano naman kung wala tayong kasama?
Alam mo na naman.
Alin ba? Diretsuhin mo na lang kaya ako.
Alam mo.
Okay, sige.
Sex is a natural part of life, yet often misunderstood and controversial. It influences relationships, health, and responsibility. But how much do we really know? According to the World Health Organization, over 1 million curable STIs are acquired daily, while 500 million people live with lifelong infections. Adolescent pregnancy is also concerned, with 13% of young women giving birth before 18 worldwide. In the Philippines, births among girls under 15, 35.13% in 2022, reaching 3,135 cases.
11 out of 10.
Oh, 9.
Kasi mas mabasa lang ako natin ang kalam natin about dito.
As a person who is a teenager din and exposed din sa mga bagay like personal things,
Nasa tamang edad naman natin.
sex education, kasi most teenagers is not aware of how to do safe sex, like they're unaware of the potential problems that they may encounter during their intercourse.
By using protection like condoms.
Mas mapalawak pa yung sex education ng bawat isa.
Sex is an instinct for human beings, an instinct that is something innate, natural, and part of our body. Living in a religiously conservative country, facing the awkward and immoral topic about sexuality is the key in eradicating the heightened HIV cases. This can be further affirmed to the proposed sex ed bill that is designed to make the Comprehensive Sexuality Education or CSE mandatory for schools that shall include topics such as human sexuality, informed consent, effective contraceptive use, HIV or AIDS and other sexually transmitted diseases, and sexual abuse and exploitation. This hence leads to the eradication of misinformation and disinformation among youth through their comprehensive understanding about their sexual self, paving the way for a well-informed society.
Bakit? Bakit kang ganito?
Alam mo ba yan? Protection yan. Pag nag-sex. Baliw, ano to, nakakaligtas to sa mga HIV tsaka sa mga gonorrhea. Kapag hindi nakakagamit ng condom, hindi safe yung sex niyo.
Yes to sex ed.